Matrix multiplication in scientific calculator. Let's see how we can multiply the matrices. First, on the calci, click on mode setup, click on 6 for matrix, click on 1 to select the first matrix A, and select any number according to the order of the matrix. I am clicking on 5 for the 2 by 2 matrix. Now enter the values in the matrix. I am entering the values as 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now the values are entered into the matrix A. Now again click on mode setup. Click on 6 for another matrix. Now click on 2 to select the second matrix, that is B, and select any number according to the order of the matrix. I am taking 2 by 2 matrix. Now enter the values here. I am entering the values as 4, 6, 2 and 3. Now the values are entered into the matrix B. Now again click on shift 4, then click on 3 for matrix A. Now click on into. Now again click on shift 4. Now click on 4 for matrix B. So our matrix A into matrix B. Now finally, by the clicking of equals to, you get the final matrix, that is matrix A into matrix B. So this is our final matrix.